barbecue and other things I want to do. What I want to do today for you is I want to cook up some kettle corn. Ever since I got this Jambalaya kettle from Cajun Classic a few months ago, I've been wanting to cook some kettle corn for you, and I have been doing it, just practicing with it a little bit. All right, watching some YouTube videos on how to cook kettle corn. I want to tell you the most useful one I found was Jaxx Drink water. He told me that I need 1 cup of popcorn, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of oil. The 3 cups, 1 cup each, and that's been about the ratio I want. Now he used a Discata, and it may be because he used different equipment than this cast iron Jambalaya kettle, but I figure if it's kettle corn, I should use a kettle, right? He said that once 1/3 of the popcorn starts to pop, put the sugar in. I found that hasn't worked well for me. I need to put the sugar in right before I put the popcorn in. But your equipment may be different. Anyway, I do encourage you to watch Jaxx Drinkwater's kettle corn video. He made it a while back, but it's a great video and he shows you how to do it. Now, you want to make sure you have on long sleeves and long pants because popcorn's going to fly everywhere. Now, I know that y'all watch my channel like people watch NASCAR, just for the wrecks. Y'all are here to see me get burned. I tell you what, I burned myself earlier today on some lunch. Yeah, right there. So, you know, I'm willing to sacrifice myself. Besides, these pasty white legs could use some color, even it's a little burn freckles, you know? But y'all follow my channel. Y'all know I paid a lot of money a few years back for new eyes. I will protect my eyes, but I'm gonna just have a little fun like this. Don't do it. Remember, I'm an untrained amateur, so don't try this at home. Put on jeans and long sleeves. All right, let's get this lit and we'll get going. All right, now, you're looking at the bottom of the kettle and putting in the oil. Now, when this starts popping crazy, I want you at home to watch your eyes now. Put on some goggles or something because I don't want this popcorn to pop through this screen and pop you in the eye. All right, might be cold by it gets there, but it'll still be flying pretty fast. So watch your eyes, okay? Now, gonna get that heated up. Now the popcorn heats up around 400 to a little higher than that before it pops. We're gonna throw in about 3 little kernels just to see if it's ready to start popping, all right? I'm also gonna get this lid ready. The Jambalaya kettle comes with a lid, and we're gonna see if those start to pop. I don't know if you can see that, but little bubbles are starting to form near them. I'm not gonna bother stirring these. These are just to see if the oil's hot enough. Not really gonna worry about that too much. Now, kettle corn has a film of light sugar on it. What you want is white sugar. Don't use brown sugar, you'll come out with caramel corn, which is something different. You want a light little coating of sugar on it. And if we get the sugar too hot, it may get a little darker than that, but we're trying to avoid that. All right. Oh, there it goes. It's getting hot. So we know we're about where we need to be. There it goes. There's the other one. All 3 of them. So that hot oil is hot. That's going to be my snack. All right. Now what I'm going to do now is a little different than what Jaxx did. He put the sugar in once the popcorn started to pop. I'm gonna put it in first, but I'm not gonna leave it in there long. I'm just gonna stir it around and start getting it melted. Now I'm gonna put the popcorn in. Now once the popcorn goes in, we wanna just keep stirring. Keep stirring and stirring and stirring. I don't have a timer, but it doesn't take real long. But you see, I'm trying to get that oil melted. It cooled off the, get that sugar melted rather. The sugar cooled off the oil. But it's gonna start to melt. This is gonna start to pop, and we wanna keep it stirring. Put my shades back on and take them off for a minute. Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving. Whoa. just want to keep this moving, get that sugar starting to melt, but we don't want it burned. This is probably, I don't know how high the heat is. It's a propane cooker, but it certainly isn't full blast. It's down pretty low, you know. And there's one that's popping there. So want to keep it, start to watch your eyes as this starts to pop now. Kettle corn in a kettle, baby. Kettle corn in a kettle. And when it pops, you get it coated with that sugar coating, that sugar glaze. Here it goes, it's starting to fly. Stand back. Woo! It's gonna be fun, y'all. Oh yeah. It's gonna be fun. Oh, you see one fly out? That's why you gotta watch yourself. Woo! I lost a tough couple. All right, they starting to get kind of crazy here. We start getting like that. Can you see? Okay, now they start to go, wow. Remember, we want to keep this moving, so I grab the 2 hooks. Can you hear them? And we want to shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. You want to see what's happening? Look at that. Woo! Shake it, shake it, shake it. Get on that right. Get on that right. Yo! Get in there and stir. Sorry you can't see it, guys. You see we getting that coating on there? And these are just about all to be done. Gonna have a wonderful snack, and the ones that go on the ground, the dogs get to eat. Oh yeah. All right. Turn the gas off now. They're still popping. Keep them moving. When it slows down, I want to get them out of here. They're slowed down. Want to get it out. You got to come over here. Come over here quickly, quickly, quickly. We got to get these out. All right. All right, all right, all right. Dump it all out here. I need a helper to... Yeah, nabbit. Should have had my son to help me scoop this out. That's okay, all this gonna be good. Told you, y'all watch my channel for the wrecks. All right? Like you watch NASCAR. Woo! Kettle corn. Not much more fun than that. And look at that. Wow, that's hot, man. Look at that right there. That's rock candy. Woo! Get that out. That's actually gonna be pretty good if you can get the kernels out of it. Y'all see that right there? Woo, that's hot, man. Little rock candy. All right, now, at this point, you wanna put salt on it. I'm gonna put some buttered popcorn salt on there. All right, that's what I'm gonna put on it. Well, not that much, wow. All right, just buttered popcorn seasoning, had to run inside and grab it. It's still hot though, this popcorn's still hot and it's still gonna taste good. Let's do the taste test. Hey, I know what you're thinking. Big Lou, it was fun to watch you, but I think I'm just gonna buy the kettle corn in the popcorn bag and throw it in my microwave. Yeah, well, this is a lot of fun. And if you got dinner guests over or something, or children or something like that, oh, they love it. I took this to the kids' Bible school. They had a youth group, actually, the youth group at church, rather. And I made some of this, 2 or 3 batches for them. They loved it, and they loved watching it. Some of them didn't even know you can make popcorn without a microwave. All right, now I know you watch my channel for the wrecks. I did not get burned. Probably should have. I was in short sleeves and shorts. I did have the glasses on, though. Y'all want to see me eat this rock candy part. My dentist's gonna be mad at me. Woo! Sugar, it tastes like popcorn. Man. Get rid of that. Let's do the popcorn. Wow, that fried rock candy, that's something else. I think I'm gonna invent that. All right, now I got this kettle corn cooked in a kettle with that light sugar glaze. All right, a little bit of that popcorn salt. This is a fantastic snack. It's still hot, the bottom of the pan's hot. Take it in, share it with my kids. If you got a kettle or something similar, try Kettle Corn. Hey, thanks to Jaxx Drink Water. Check out his Kettle Corn video down below. He does it a little safer than I do, but his look is good, just as good. I'm telling you what, this is good stuff. It's a lot of fun to do too. Thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue.